So what happens when you have a web portal? So it's not an Excel, it's not a Word document that you need to respond to your RFP or ESG survey in, but it's a web portal. These are more and more popular these days, and they are really frustrating because inevitably you end up having to copy and paste back into the various web portals in order to submit whatever form it is you may be submitting. This is why EA has launched our browser plugin, and the browser plugin is going to save you hours of copy and paste time, making sure that it's just a few clicks to get your already approved answers into the platform. So I'm just going to load up my browser plugin on the side here. And I've already downloaded the survey and run it through EA as I would a normal survey. And I've reviewed those responses alongside my colleagues. So once I open up our browser plugin, I can see all those approved answers ready to go. Now, these answers are also going to come alongside all the evidence. So if it's something where I need to upload the evidence, I can do that right here from within the browser plugin. For this one, I don't need to upload evidence. I just need to pop the questions onto the page. So it's simple as click the question and click the box on the page. It is scanning the page, so it's only showing me questions that are on this page. And I can just go through very quickly and mark all of these answers off as I go down without having to change screens or create more clicks. As I change page, it's going to rescan and it's going to show me the questions that are now on the second page. And you can see here immediately I am making a very quick job of popping all of these answers into the completed form. I can, if I want, see all the questions in one go, and it's showing me all the ones that I've copied and pasted in already and showing me my progress throughout the form. If you'd like to give our browser plugin a go, you can do so now by signing up to a 30-day free trial of EA. No credit card is required to start your trial, and you can experiment with the browser plugin and see just how much time it's going to save you.